Adding comments within Solidworks and PDM. In today's video, we will look at some examples on how we can use Solidworks to add comments, and we'll look at some examples on how we can add comments inside of PDM. We'll start by looking at first how we can add comments inside a Solidworks part. Underneath the file name, we can add a comment. We can add a comment to a feature, and we can add a comment to a sketch. We're going to go ahead and add a comment underneath the file name. I've copied and pasted a comment in. If you look at the bottom of the comments window, you can see we can add a timestamp, insert an image, or insert a screenshot. We're going to go ahead and insert an image. Once we have our image inserted, if you want to see a full screen, you can just double click on it. It's kind of a nice feature. Going to go ahead and save and close our comment. And you can see we've got a new comment that's been added. We can delete the comment or edit the comment also. I'm going to right click on the sketch and make a small change to the through hole size. Going to go ahead and rebuild our sketch. Go ahead and right click on the sketch that we just changed, and we will add a comment that we did indeed change the through hole size. We'll save and close that, and you can see we also got a new comment added. Next, we will look at adding comments in a drawing, which is very similar to a part file. You can add a comment underneath the file name. We could attach a comment to the sheet. We could also attach a comment to one or any of the drawing views. Right now we're looking inside PDM at our part slip-on flange. We're going to change state on that part to the next proto revision. At this point we have the option to add a comment. We're going to do so. Hit OK. If we look at the history of the part, we can see that the comment that we just added is showing up. I'm going to change state back to proto whip. Could have added a comment there, but we chose not to. We're going to check out the file. I'm going to open the file in SolidWorks. I'm going to go ahead and change the sketch slightly, change the through hole size. I'm going to rebuild my sketch, save my part. At this point, we're going to check the file in, and we can go ahead and add a comment during the check-in process. We're going to go ahead and check the file out again. I'm going to open it in SolidWorks. I'm going to change a sketch again. Change the overall diameter slightly. And I'm going to rebuild. Save. Close the part. I'm going to go ahead and check the file in. I could have added a comment here, but I chose not to. If I look at the history of the part, I have an option to go ahead and add a comment. Because I'm the user who actually made the check-in, I can go ahead and do that. Only the user who performed the check-in can do that. Hit the update button, close. And if we look at the history one last time, there's our comment that we added after the part had been checked in. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you a little bit more insight on how you can use SolidWorks and PDM to add comments. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks.